Kangana, with whom we've done Metro and Fashion in the past, and we are proud that our film was the first one that she won a national award for.
Right out over here.
Yep.
But you're the brainchild behind this because normally you have a director who comes to the production house and says, let's do this thing together. It went the other way around here. You had the script and then you took this forward.
Well, I wouldn't quite say we're the brainchild behind it because where is Anshul Singhal? Is he here? Yeah, so on, I think it
Right
was
up over there.
rainy afternoon like this one day when he came into the office and narrated this amazing script to us, we fell in love with it completely. And, the whole team, and that is not something that happens very often when, every single person in the room is laughing and crying and, feeling great about what they've heard. And hats off to him. One big round of applause for Anshul. So,
You should actually be sitting up here in front.
yeah, I wonder
It
what
would be
he's doing
nice.
there at the back. So, the big task obviously was to figure out who it is who would be the best person to direct this material. And honestly, after a lot of soul searching and, thinking through various options, we narrowed in on the one person who has been able to, he is one of the most versatile directors that we have in this industry. He's handled virtually every genre of cinema in his career. And I think, the film that he started out with, Kal Ho Na Ho, was something that, convinced us that this was a script that deserves to be helmed by no one other than Nikhil Advani. And so we thought that Nikhil was the best person to do this. And honestly, from what one has seen of the film, which is pretty much all of it, I will say that, our decision was completely justified, and we're thrilled that we have Nikhil making this movie. I'd like to thank Amrita and her team at UTV, who've been, great support for the film, and they've been managing the marketing and distribution plans all the way through. And I'd like to thank Madhu and Monisha from MA for being extremely efficient, organized, and superb co-producers. So thank you. And thanks to all of you guys for coming out on a rainy Sunday afternoon. We'll keep it as short and sweet as we can, but we hope that you'll be entertained at the end of it. What's more, I'd also like to say that, we're really thrilled to be working with the sort of talent that we have on this film. From Imran, with whom we've done 4 hit movies in the past. Jaane Tu Ya Jaane Na, Delhi Belly, Ek Mein Aur Ek Tu, and I Hate Love Stories. And this is our fifth film together. And of course, Kangana, with whom we've done Metro and Fashion in the past, and we're proud that our film was the first one that she won a national award for. And of course, the incredible crew that we have on the film, from Shankar Ehsan and Loy, to, the incredible production designers, to, everyone who's associated with the movie are just, superb. And I'm sure you'll see some of that coming up in the trailer. Now, without any further ado, I'd like to call the man behind it all, Nikhil Advani.
Welcome, sir. Siddharth, sir, makes the job very easy for everyone, including myself. No script required because sir said the full script. But one thing he did say, you make very good-looking films. I have to say this to you. So, every actor will want to work in your films. Scripts are fantastic. You've got the movement, you've got the action, you've got the acting. But it makes very good-looking viewing. This has always been in your gene pool, right? To make a good-looking film also.
Yeah, I think so. Hello? Yeah, no, I have a good team that works very hard.
Yeah.
And that follows me to the end of wherever I take them every single day. And we were here till 2 o'clock last night trying to get the trailer correct, and we felt there was a small glitch. So we went back, opened everything up, came. So we have Tushar over there, who I wish he's the DP of my film. And we've done 3 films together now, and I hope that I never have to shoot without him ever. And then there's Amit Dada and Subrata, who are the production designers. They won every single award for Haider. Amit Dada.
They were actually having an argument about how many he won in the morning, 7 or 4.
Yeah.
He's clarified it's 4. So it's
Yeah,
perfect.
but I think the hero of this film is Anshul Singhal, who's sitting over there, and who, very rarely, I write my own films, or tend to write my own films because I get very, very scared of the material that's coming to me. When Sid and Amrita and UTV and everybody came and gave me the script, and I looked at it and I said, I didn't have to do anything. I didn't have to actually do anything. I just had to land up on the set. And that's thanks to Anshul Singhal.
That's
He's
brilliant. That's high
fantastic.
praise. I think it's about time you took your place in the sun in the front.